Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 ML 350 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch split 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, sunroof, non-smoked vehicle. We've got our ML 350 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate. Got an electronic tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Come alongside. This one does come with a eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls, Bluetooth for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you an iPod and MP3 interface, as well as navigation with command, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This ML 350 has 84,066 miles, very low mileage for the year. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this ML 350, check out feldmanimports.com.